Hi everyone, I am Vlad from Cruz de Tenerife. Welcome to my channel. We are now in Siam Park in Costa Adeje. I hope you like it. Stay until the end because I will come with some tips for your trip in Siam Park. Cheers! Promised you some tips at the end of this video, so here they are. First, I would suggest coming early. At about 10 to 11 the parking is full, at least the main parking of Siam Park. There is another parking but it's like 300 meters away, and if that is full as well, you are on your own, let's say like this. Okay, it's not impossible, but it will take like 10 to 15 minutes to find the parking place. If you come after 11, I wouldn't suggest this, and I don't see why would you do this, but just to have in mind. Second, if you come early, you take full benefit of the rides. If you are not, I would suggest to get a fast pass. It's you pay 15 euros, and you cut lines for each ride once, and a bonus at your choose. Then, if you another advantage, if you come early, you get to take to relax in one of these areas. Very quiet, with shadow. If you have kids with you, they are functioning very well as meeting points, because you could easily get lost in so many rides. So I have this agreement with my family. If some of us get lost, we meet here at the beds. So if you want one of these beds in shadow, you should come you should come early. Also the lockers. Most of the time the lockers get occupied after 10 or after 11. So if you want to put your phones, your cameras, you need a locker, then you should come before 10. I would suggest the locker C, which is in the middle of everything. The reason for this is that you cannot go in the ride with sunglasses or watches, necklace, any kind of jewelry. So you can have the phones and the glasses in the locker. You ride the rides, and after that you have access to them after you ride. What I would suggest is you cannot come with your food in the park, so I would suggest the ticket with meal included. You will save about 10 euros for that. You have a link in the description with all type of tickets explained. As you could see, there are plenty of tickets, and it could be a bit misleading. I personally took a lot of time understanding all the tickets. I made I have organized it for you, and you have all the tickets that are really interesting, and give you a good value for money in the description below. I would suggest a twin ticket for both Siam Park and Loro Park. Both are very good attractions. I think there are 2 days that you cannot miss on Tenerife Island. So a twin ticket will save you 8 euros, and also it will give you access to both parks at opening dates. Basically, you just buy the tickets, and it's up to you when you want to go. Definitely, I would suggest buying the tickets online. There are lines in the morning, and with tickets online, you just pass that in front of those lines and enter the park. You will gain probably 10 to 15 minutes. To get here, there are buses almost in all the south region of the island. I will put a link in the description with timetables and the route of these buses. Very interesting. I would suggest in Friday and Saturday Siam nights. The Siam nights are from 8 to 12. And the lines are not so big. It's most an adult experience, because there are not so many children, and you can relax more. Last but not least, wear sunscreen protection, wear a t-shirt if you usually have burns, and flip-flops or water shoes. The water shoes you can buy from here as well. They are 10 euros. They are very useful, because with flip-flops you are not allowed on the rides, on the slopes, and you have to leave the flip-flops. After that, find the flip-flops, go back to take the flip-flops if the starting line is not in the same place with the finish. So I would suggest the water shoes, either coming from home with them, either buying them from here. They are very useful, especially the floors are in the sun all day, and you can feel the burning sun on the feet. So definitely flip-flops or water shoes are recommendable. That are my tips for Siam Park. I wish you a pleasant vacation, and watch my channel if you want other tips for attractions in Tenerife. Thank you.